Good morning, boys and girls. How are you today? So, today's lesson is review. That means we're going to go back and we're going to practice the things that we've learned so far. So, we're going to review the alphabet and the letters that we've learned. And we haven't finished all of the letters. So, we're just going to practice the letters that we've learned. Okay? So, like always, I love books. So, I brought a book with me today to practice the letters that we've learned. So here we go. This is called Clifford's ABC. And before we get started, I want to remind you that every letter has a name and every letter has a sound. So we're going to practice the name. We're going to practice looking at the letter and knowing the name of it. But then we're also going to practice what does it sound like. Okay? So every letter also has a sound. Okay, so here we go. We're going to practice that today. Clifford's A, B, C. And on this page is the alphabet. So let's just go ahead and sing our alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Awesome. So let's get started with our alphabet. So here we have the letter A. And you can see Clifford with a lot of things that start with A. So what sound does the letter A make? Do you know, boys and girls? A makes two sounds, actually. It makes the sound A, like apple, and A, it just says its name, like acorn. So let's look in this picture and see things that start with A. What do you see? This is an axe. She's holding an axe. These are right there, really small, are acorns, an anchor, an alligator. This is an armadillo, armadillo, an ant, and an accordion. This instrument is called an accordion. So here are words that start with A. Accordion, acorns, alligator. Very good. So now we're going to turn the page, and what letter is this, boys and girls? It is the letter B. And B, what sound does it make? Because every letter has a sound. It makes the sound. Well, let's practice and see these words and see if you can remember the sound. Bird, bat, ball, balloon, boy, beaver, bottle, baby, butterfly, and boat. So what sound does B make? B. Very good. The letter C. What sound does C make? Let's practice. What do you see in this picture? A cow right here, a clown, or cake, a cat. So what sound does the letter C make? Can you make that with me? Very good. Then we're going to move on to the letter D. What do you see in this picture? Dolphin, dragon, drum, dog, dandelion. Very good. So what sound does the letter D make? D. Very good. Okay, the letter E is a special letter and it makes two sounds. It makes the sound like egg, and E, it says its name, like eagle. So it makes two sounds. Okay, so let's look at these pictures. Here's an eagle laying an egg, elephant, elf, Eskimo, this is an Eskimo. Eel. Very good. So the letter E makes two sounds, and and E. Very good. F. What sound does the letter F make? Do you remember? So we have a fish and a flag and a frog and a fire and a fox and a flower and a fairy. So many things that start with it's a really quiet sound. Awesome. Okay, so let's keep going with the letter G. So the letter G makes the sound G. G. Can you make it with me? Try it with me. We'll do it 3 times. G. 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 Very good. So we have G. G. Ghost. And G. G. Gorilla. And G. G. Garden. Okay, very good. Then we have the letter H. H is a quiet sound, and it goes like this. Very good. Can you make that sound? Very good. So we have horse and house and hummingbird. Looks like this. Hummingbird, hippopotamus, horn, hat. All of those start with H. Helicopter. Lots of words start with H too. And I is another one of those special letters that has 2 sounds. So it makes the sound I, like igloo, and I, like ice cream. So I, like igloo, and I, and Emily Elizabeth is holding an ice cream right there. So let's look at this picture and see things that start with I. This flower is called an iris. So iris starts with I. Ink, ink. Iron, iguana, ice cream. Those things start with I, which makes 2 sounds. And this is the letter that we learned today. It's the letter J. All right? Or we learned earlier this week on Monday. So behind me I have words that start with J, and you've already practiced handwriting the letter J, and then we're going to stop here after we'll finish the book next week. So we have a juggler, juggler, he's juggling the balls, a jack-o'-lantern, a jester, a jogger, a jet. Those things start with J. So J makes the sound J. So we're going to stop there, boys and girls, and we're not going to finish the whole alphabet today. But next time, we will pick up with the letter K after this, okay? So, yeah, I just wanted you to practice some words that start with different letters of the alphabet, and keep practicing at home. And I miss you, boys and girls, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.